Hello everyone, this is Nakul Gupta from absolutegeeks.com and welcome to yet another video. Today we have unboxing video for Realme X2 Pro. Let's get started. Looking at the packaging, it looks quite bulky, so let's get inside. So we have the standard paperwork. Hey, welcome to Realme family. I think there must be a silicone case inside. Let's embrace a new journey. So this is the paperwork, quick guide. Next is important information guide, and yes, there is a silicone case. All right, nothing else. Let's keep it on the side. And here we have the phone itself. We'll come back to this later. Let's see what else is in the box. We have the USB-A to USB-C cable. And one SIM card tray removal pin. And here is this superstar super VOOC charging. It's a 50 watts charging. It will give you 0 to 100 charging in around 30 minutes, and that is crazy. So I'll be testing it out, how if the claims are correct or not. So yeah, pretty excited to try this out. Let's see at the phone now. Pretty minimal packaging, I would say. Like, it almost felt like Apple. Whew. Wow. So yeah, the phone looks really good. It has good weight to it. There are the antenna bands. The volume buttons sound very clicky. This is the power button. If you want a closer look, I don't know how well it will focus, but yeah. Let's start. I hope this has some battery in it. So yeah, pretty excited to use this phone. I'll be setting it up and to see how it has a quad camera setup. One of the cameras is just for depth sensor, so I won't count that as a camera, but it is there. This is a the cameras are 64 megapixel main camera, which will give you output of 16 megapixel photos, which is crazy. It has a latest 2019 Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And this variant is a 12 GB RAM. That is insane. 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. 256 GB storage. The color here, what you're looking is lunar white. The number one feature in here for me, I want to try out, is the 90 Hertz display. I was expecting every device to come with a 90 Hertz display, 90 or 120 Hertz display. But this will be my first primary device with 90 Hz display. So I'm pretty excited. Let's set it up and we'll be back. So guys, I hope you like this video, and do follow us on all social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and go to our website absolutegeeks.com to know more about what's new in technology. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.